Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A1 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, do so once more, and this will extend the toggles, and hopefully you can see one of the toggles be battery saver. In this case, that's how it's called. Now if it's not on the first page, you can also swipe to the left and this will give you a couple more toggles right here. But for me it's right here. So anyway, once you see it, simply tap on it and it enables the power saving mode. It also fills the outline of the battery red and turns on dark theme if it's not on. And that's basically it. So that is how you would enable your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, you can disable it by finding the toggle, tapping on it once more, and there we go, everything should go back to normal. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.